How's it going, everyone? My name is Militant Padilla. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing of the dbrand skins that I recently ordered for the Dell XPS 17. This is the 2020 edition. So this just came in the mail today, and I'll do a quick unboxing and then show you guys what it looks like on this guy. Alright, before I go ahead and open this package up, I did want to take a second to look at the artwork that they provide here. So this is my first time ordering from dbrand. And I am not sponsored, but if you are to order from dbrand on their website, you would notice that they have a theme about robots. And that's kind of what we see here. There's a bunch of robots. There's some skulls and a pyramid. So that's pretty awesome that they took the time to provide that artwork. And alright, let's go ahead and get started on getting this guy open here. Alright, so I was going to open this guy up and show you guys what I ordered here. So to start off, go ahead and push that to the side there. They send this nice covered package. You can see their logo there. First piece that we have in here is the top skin. So I did decide to go with the black matrix. As you can see, if you look a little closer, the texture there is what they call on the website the black matrix. And it does also include the centerpiece with the Dell cutout logo. So I'll show you guys how that looks in a sec. Let's see what else we got. So here is the bottom skin of the laptop. As you can see, the grooves, this is for the vents that are in the back, and then the screws, also in black matrix. And then here we have the palm rest cover. So this will go, this is not for the trackpad, it gets cut out, but yeah, essentially I got it in black matrix as well. The reason I decided to go with the palm rest was that I did own the Dell XPS 13. Definitely was a great computer, but this is kind of what made me decide to get the palm rest. So if you guys are familiar with the Dell XPS line, they provide carbon fiber for the palm rest. And over time, I had this back in, I'd say 2015. And over time, you can see the trackpad gets kind of worn. There's oil from the fingers that could cause that, but that's ultimately what made me decide to get a palm rest and the touch pad as well, just to hopefully preserve that for the Dell XPS 17. I mean, it is a beast of a machine, and we definitely want to make sure that gets taken care of. So yeah, this orange piece that you see here, the trackpad skin, so I definitely wanted to pop those colors there. And also in this packaging, we get an extra set of the Dell logos, one with the cutout and then one without. I think from my understanding is if you mess up with the cutout version, you could just put on the individual piece that covers the entire logo itself. So it's kind of nice of them to provide both of those. And I did do a separate order for some orange logo covers. Again, the solid and then the cutout for the Dell itself. And yeah, pretty much that is it. They do provide a cleaning cloth to make sure we get everything cleaned up. And this guy looks like it's just a placeholder, so yeah, that's definitely awesome. You can have the links. I'll have the link for the dbrand website below if you guys would like to purchase. But yeah, that's everything that comes in this packaging. So I'm going to put that aside for a sec. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start applying the dbrand skin itself. Dbrand does have a video for the Dell XPS line specifically. So I'm not going to go step by step, but I'm just going to show you guys basically my results of applying this. And then yeah, I'll show you the end results with before and after pictures as well. Alright, well there it is. The dbrand skin has been applied and it is ready to go. So for anybody out there that is looking to protect your device, I would highly recommend the dbrand skin. It was a little challenging to get it on, but the nice thing about the dbrand skin is that it is very forgiving, so if you need to peel that off and try again, I did not have any trouble with that. So I would highly recommend the dbrand skin to protect you from any scuffs or any marks on the trackpad. And let me know in the comments below if you guys would like me to review the Dell XPS. This is my first YouTube video, so I'd highly appreciate it if you guys liked and subscribed. And I will look to bring you guys some more content soon. Thank you.